Welcome to this MD80 spy camera take apart tutorial. I'm going to be taking apart the MD80 spy camera. Now you have 4 precision Phillips screws. You have 2 on this side and you have 2 right here. So I'm going to be using a Phillips head precision screwdriver to remove these screws. Be careful when you take the screws out, they're very small, so you don't want to drop them on the floor because they'll be very hard to find. So make sure that you carefully put them down in a place where you can retrieve them. Okay, so all 4 screws have been removed. Now, I'm going to be pulling it apart. Okay. So this is the top piece right here. Let's see what we have inside. Here, of course, is the lens. You can just really see how tiny this lens is by looking at it from the inside. And as you can see there, that will be the play button. And over there. And that would probably be the microphone. Okay. And you're looking at the micro SD card slot right there. Pieces over here would be those lights that you see, the blue and red lights when you're using the camera. And this is the main board itself, which holds the pieces together. And right over there is the socket where the USB cord connects. And this is the battery right here. As you can see, the battery is soldered into the board. And here is the back piece. So this was a tutorial for a take apart of the MD80 spy camera. Please subscribe, feel free to leave comments, please like up the video, and thank you for tuning in.